Oh shit, what was I gonna say? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a collective haul video, and they're just been things that I have picked up here and there over the past sort of 5 months. Yeah, 5 months. So if you do like luxury videos and you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would hit that subscribe button below, and also the bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, which is on every Wednesday and on every weekend on US time. I am based in Australia, but I do upload based on US time. So these items, like I said, have been over the past 5 months. I haven't revealed them in a dedicated haul video, but I have revealed pretty much everything except maybe a couple items. I know that not everyone watches my vlog videos, so that's why I am putting this all together in one video for those that don't watch the vlogs but just like to watch luxury hauls. And the first one is this La Mer cream, and I bought this for myself for Mother's Day. This is only the small size. I think it's only 15 ml, and it is so expensive. I believe I paid 125 Australian dollars for this, but La Mer, or however you say it, is a luxury skincare brand, and it has been hyped up quite a lot to be a big deal. I don't notice anything different yet, so I'm keeping a close eye on my skin. I'm not getting any breakouts, which is a good thing, but I kind of, for me to actually analyze my skin, I sort of look at my fine lines and wrinkles if there's going to be any improvement, so that's what I'm monitoring the most. I have also stopped using my facial roller, which is something that I did in a vlog video. I did my skincare routine and I used a facial roller, but I've decided to stop using it so I can really assess if this cream does improve my fine lines and wrinkles. This is probably the only item that is not luxury, and I'm not talking about the bag because we already know that I had my Hermes Kelly 25, and this is a non-Hermes strap. So you probably, it looks kind of familiar like the Hermes ones because it's kind of got the same sort of design. Hermes does do a sangle strap, that's what they call it, in this kind of pattern, but this is just a generic one. You can get them on eBay and Amazon. I will link a link down below because I know with Australia we prefer to shop on eBay, so I'm going to link the eBay Australia link for fellow Aussies that are watching, and for everyone else worldwide I will link the Amazon listing for it. This was very, very cheap. It was under, I think it was like under $60 Australian, but I basically bought this because I am thinking about getting the Hermes sangle strap, but I just wanted to see how I go with this one. But the only problem is that this is only about 95 centimeters or 90 centimeters or something, so I can only use it on the shoulder, whereas I kind of want to use one crossbody, so I might have to go and try and find a generic strap that is 110 centimeters or 105 centimeters. So I think the Hermes one is 105 centimeters, so I'll probably have to go and buy one of those to get a better feeling of the actual strap before I go and splurge on the luxury version. Now everything else is going to be officially luxury accessories. Yeah, luxury accessories or luxury bags. Another item that I bought, this is sunglasses, quite obviously. They're from Gucci, so it doesn't have like Gucci on the case, but this was from Vision Direct. So again, I'll link these down below. Vision Direct, you're probably familiar with. They do a lot of, they do spectacles, sunglasses, and they put prescription lenses in them. So these have my prescription in them for sunglasses. Again, this would have been unboxed on one of my vlogs. And I don't remember how much I paid for these because it was quite a couple months ago now. I think with my prescription they were around about $340, I believe, with my prescription in them. They are quite oversized, so they are oversized, but I love oversized sunglasses because I want them to protect my face from the sun. I don't like small sunglasses. I also feel that with oversized ones they make my face look a little bit slimmer, a little bit smaller. I suppose it's the whole contrast of big, like they're big. Just like when you carry a big bag, they can make you look a little bit smaller and thinner. So that's how I kind of feel about sunglasses. I had to take a very long break. I had to feed baby C, which takes generally at least 30 minutes, but this time it took about 45 minutes to an hour, which is normal as well. Sometimes in the middle of the night I'll wake up for a feed and it'll take an hour because I'm nursing to feed. So I'm trying to remember where I was up to. Also, I got peed on, which is always fun. Lucky I wasn't wearing my Chanel jumper. Obviously I had to take it off to feed because there's no zip down. Yeah, so I got peed on, so that's fun. The joys of when you have a boy, very different to when you have a baby girl, that's for sure. I think I'm up to this, I think. Yeah, Yeah, okay, I'm up to this. So the other thing that I had gotten recently, this was actually gifted to me. It's actually a silk twilly scarf from Senreve. The design has been done by the two founders of Senreve. They were giving this away as a gift with purchase for Mother's Day. I'm not quite sure if they're still doing it, but with any purchase from Senreve, you are able to use my coupon code, which is Purseonfleek 50, and that gets you 50 USD off as long as you're spending at least 300 USD. So then if the total comes below 300 USD, that's fine. The coupon code still works for that. It's just that your checkout, like your cart price, has to at least be 300 USD, and then you can knock the 50 USD off with my coupon code. So yeah, they gifted me this beautiful silk twilly. It's actually bigger than the Hermes twillies, which is good. So I was able to do a cute little bow on my Senreve Aria belt bag. And the other item that I have also from Senreve, this is another item that I had picked up about, I think it was in late February, early March. I revealed this in one of my vlogs, and this is the Senreve Mini Maestro bag, and I actually got this as a part of the handbag revival sale, so it ended up being much less than what it usually is. With the handbag revival sale, they do it I think once a year, and pretty much it's bags that have been like on showroom display or they have been used for photo shoots. So there was pretty much no obvious signs of wear on it. The only thing I noticed was there was like a slight color transfer on the tab underneath, but you can't see it when the bag's closed anyway. So this is in Mimosa Blanc, and I was able to actually use my Senreve credits to get this bag because I am obviously have a coupon code, an affiliate code with Senreve, so I'm an ambassador. I'm a very proud ambassador of Senreve. I absolutely love their products. I really, truly do. They are so robust, so I love them. I use my Senreve bags a lot, and I know that it might seem in contrast to Hermes, they're such a different scale, but the quality of these bags is amazing. No, they're not Hermes, but the quality is fantastic, no doubt about it. But what I love about them the most is the versatility and the fact that they're still very cute looking bags that are versatile, and then also logo-less. I'm not really big into logos. Saying this with this on there, so it kind of sounds like a bit of an oxymoron thing, but I mean, when it comes to bags, I'm not huge on logos, so that's why I love Senreve. There's a lot about the brand that speaks to me, that resonates with me, so that's why I work with them, because I love their stuff. So this bag I have been using quite regularly, this and the pebbled blush mini maestro that I have, and I use this bag a lot for like running errands, going to the post office, going and getting takeaway. Very much thoroughly enjoying this handbag, and of course, even though the handbag revival sale is not on, their handbags are still very reasonably priced, and then you can still use my coupon code on top to get the 50 USD off. So highly recommend. Love this bag. And finally, I have a white handbag, and I think that what's great about this is because it's in that mimosa leather. Also, the pebbled leather is fantastic too, but any of their leathers are so hard wearing and easy to clean that this is pretty much my safest bag as a white bag. Let's move on to the next item, and the next item I have is my new in Chanel card holder. This I actually bought from a subby, which was fantastic. I bought it on the luxury Facebook groups that we have in Australia. She was selling this because she actually just got a job at Chanel, so congratulations, and hello if you are watching. So she decided to let this go because she knew, of course, you know, working at Chanel, she's going to add more SLGs to her collection. The other item that I have, I think we're nearing towards the end. Yeah, we are. The other item is, now, I already had the Hermes twilly in this, like this pink colorway. I had two of them, sold one, regretted it. And the reason I sold it is because generally I never have twilly pairs. I usually never do twilly pairs for my bags because I've only got one Birkin, which is the only bag that obviously would use a pair. So I tend to not have pairs. I just match it with something else that kind of is similar and put it at the back handle. But yes, this time around I had decided to sell one because someone I knew really wanted it, so I sold it, and then I regretted it. So I was able to buy this back from also another person on the Facebook groups in Australia, the luxury groups, but she's also again a viewer and follower of mine on Instagram. But yeah, thank you very much for selling me the other twilly of this. So now I have matching ones, and this is the Hermes Jungle Love twilly. This is in the rose pale color, which was probably the hardest colorway you could get when it came to this Jungle Love set that they came out with. They came out with like pocket squares, I think, as well. I think they might have had the 90 by 90 scarves, I'm not 100% sure. They also had like headbands. They had quite a lot of things that came in this Jungle Love pattern, but the pink one, the rose pale, was the hardest colorway to get. So yeah, that was probably part of the reason why I regretted selling it, because I was like, the hardest colorway, and if I want to have matching handles, yeah. So I'm glad that I now have it back, and I'm not going to be selling one of them. I'm just going to keep both of them, and it's going to be the only Twilly pair that I have in my collection, because everything else is just a single Twilly. And then the last item that I have to show you that I picked up, this was very early on in the year as well. I believe this was end of February, early March as well. And they are Louis Vuitton leggings. I haven't been able to wear them yet, but then again, I haven't been able to pretty much wear any of my luxury clothing because A, we're not going anywhere, and B, and I had been pregnant for so long and I still have baby weight, so I'm not quite sure these fit me yet, but they will, of course they will, in due course. We're from, I think they were spring summer, they were from the latest spring summer collection, I think. For me, I pretty much wash all my luxury clothes. I just do so on like Delicate's cycle and within a Delicate's laundry bag. And then I also use Delicate's laundry liquid. If I need to, I also hand wash as well. It just depends on the particular item. So, and then I also have my own method of doing my own home dry cleaning. So it really depends on the item. I don't send anything to the dry cleaners because I pretty much don't trust them. That is my last item on my list of all the items that I kind of have picked up over the past 5 months. I hope that you guys don't mind that I still do these sort of haul videos. But if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.